Are you two ready to see your house? Are you ready? You want to go see your house? Okay. Come on. Go inside. Look at your house. Oh my goodness, we're so excited. I gotta catch up with them. Are you so excited? What do you think? What do you think of your house? Huh? What do you think? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Where's Tink? There you are. Yeah, there's the bed. That should look familiar. What do you guys think? Come here, Shadow. Oh my goodness. We're so excited. Yeah. Oh, we're so excited. This is yours. It's all yours. Yeah. Yeah, that's the door to the outside. What's your sister doing? Hi, Tink. What do you think of your house? Do you like your house? Yeah. Are you loving this? Yep, there's you. There's you. There's your sign. Yeah. Oh, so exciting. Yeah, this is the bedroom. This is where we're gonna sleep. Oh my goodness. You smell the kitties that used to live here? I bet you do. Yeah. Oh my goodness. You guys are excited about this. Wait till you see the backyard. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Okay. All right. Yeah. Oh, so exciting. I know. I know. So exciting. You want to go see the downstairs? Do you want to go downstairs? You want to see that? See the downstairs? Let's go. Come on, let's go see the downstairs. Let's go see the downstairs. You gotta turn on the light. Go down. Come on. Come on down with me. Come on. There you go. Here's another space. Run around. Run around like nuts. Yeah. Yeah, that's a closet. Yeah, that's a closet. What do you think? Oh my goodness. That's the utility room. That's where the laundry happens. Yeah, that's where the laundry happens. Check it all out. This is another bedroom. And there's a closet. Yeah. All the sniffs. Yes. Oh, you guys are gonna be so worn out by the end of the night. Should we go back upstairs? Come on, Shadow. Let's go. Let's go back upstairs. Okay. All right, you guys want to go outside? You want to see your yard? Should we go see your yard? It's not over there. It's this way. Yeah. Okay. Let's go see your yard. This is one of the big perks. You guys ready to pee and poo like crazy out here? Go. Go. Yeah. It's all yours. Well, there we go, marking our territory. What do you think? What do you think? You ready to go back inside already? Yeah. This is all for you. Uh-huh. Yeah. Okay, we've cleaned the air conditioner. Very nice. What do you guys think? You ready to go back in? Tinkerbell. Tink! You wanna go back in? Come on. Come on, let's go back in. Come on. Shadow, go on. Yeah. Okay, you two. Welcome home. Welcome home. Let's get settled.